We are the student of class 5th. Today we will telling about how to protect ourselves from earthquake. First, Soumya.
I am Soumya. Earthquake, what should be done? First, don't panic, have patience. Second, if you are sitting at a table, immediately get under it.
Don't panic, have patience.
Keep away from buildings. If you are sitting at a table, immediately get under it. Like this.
Start.
Find a way to out an open area. Patience. Don't panic, have patience. Don't panic, have patience. Don't panic, have patience. Near poles and trees. Don't panic, have patience. Away from buildings. Keep away from buildings. Cover your head. Cover your head. Cover your head. Keep away from electrical poles. Keep away from electrical poles. Don't stand near poles and trees. Keep away from electrical poles. Today we learned how to protect ourselves from earthquake.